Welcome to the Homeshire. We're glad you're joining us in Utah today. We had a big storm blow through this last week, and so I thought I'd take a minute and just kind of talk about what we do to take care of our animals when we end up with lots of snow and we have a lot of animals that need to be taken care of. The goats don't really like being in the snow at all, so we need to shovel out pathways for them so that they can walk around. We shovel out their feeding area so that they can walk around and get by each other. We usually try to have about 4-foot wide pathways, but we've just had so much snow this year and it's built up so quickly that it's just been a little bit difficult trying to get those pathways really wide. Pigs don't seem to really mind the snow too much. They'll stay inside if it starts to get really windy. They like to walk around and chomp on the snow on these snowy days. Try to make different pathways around the pen so that they have a place to go to the bathroom. The pigs are really smart. They're not going to go where they sleep or where they eat, so we try to create a few different areas for them to walk around. We try to give them some walk around areas in their pen. I'm sure they'd much rather be on pasture. Chickens also need some pathways. The snow is so deep now that they just can't get around unless there are pathways. We actually had a chicken that was getting out of the way of a goat in a pathway and flew up and onto the snow and got stuck there for a minute. So we tried to have a little bit wider pathways. It's just been so difficult with how quickly all of the snow's piled up this year. All of this in our next video will be turned into a lake. We had a pretty warm trend the last couple days, and I'm excited to show you guys just how much water has come up and out of our creek. The very next day after the snowstorm, we had this strong wind come through at 30 miles per hour. Blew over all of the pathways that we had done, and we had to do them all over again. Thanks for watching the Homeshire vlog today, and we hope you'll subscribe to watch us homesteading, homemaking, and homeschooling in Utah.